knob connectors here. This is the quick set 2-part locking dowel that's used where any conventional wooden dowel is used, case goods, cabinetry, furniture. It makes for simple installation, quick, fast, no glues or clamping necessary. I'll go into it in a little bit more detail and we'll go ahead and show you how it's installed. This in particular is the 8x8mm quick set. You can see here that we've got 4 different sizes for different board material and widths. So we've got a metal stud that's screwed in with a Phillips No. 2 screwdriver. I've got a bore hole drilled right here. It's 8mm in diameter, which is the same for the sleeve as well. So I've got them installed just flush. So our plastic sleeve, it opens up just a little bit. That way the stud will be received into there, and that way the head will lock into the end, so you can hear how it snaps together here. We've got some ridges just around here so that it holds tight into the wood. Got a little lip just that way it doesn't go too far down into the bore hole, and you just want to make sure that your depth is 31 to 32 millimeters deep. That way it doesn't go in too far, and you want to make sure that it's clean of sawdust. That way it doesn't stop it from going down all the way. So really the only tool you need at this point is a rubber mallet. So we've got a nice clean joint, no glue. The holding strength of this one in particular, of the quick set in this board material like plywood, is about 180 pounds of pressure that it will take to pull this apart. Now because we have 2, so that is now doubled, so we've got 360 pounds before this is going to pull apart. So that's the quick set 2-part locking dowel. Use wherever you use a wooden dowel for a fast and quick assembly. So thanks for watching. You can get it at cabinetry.com.